Number 1 on our list is the infamous Precipice Trail. If you like heights and climbing, this is definitely the trail for you. The Precipice Trail is a 2.1 mile loop trail that is ranked as difficult, mostly because you need to climb up iron rungs and ladders to make it to the top. We didn't find this trail to be too challenging, but if you have a fear of heights or if you don't have much experience with climbing or rock scrambling, this might be tricky. We followed the Precipice Trail on the way up and took the orange and black trail on the way down. Please note that this trail is closed from mid-April until mid-August due to falcon nesting. We weren't able to do this trail until our third trip here. We suggest doing this trail early in the morning. We started at about 6 a.m. both times, and we were lucky to have the trail almost completely to ourselves until we made it to the summit. Not to mention, we enjoyed breathtaking sunrise views on our trek up the mountain. Also, we wouldn't recommend doing the Precipice Trail if it is raining or if the iron rungs are wet, as this could be a dangerous climb. We absolutely love this trail, so much that we did it 2 days in a row. Not only does this trail top our Acadia National Park list, it also ranks high on our list of all-time favorite trails.
Number 2 on our list is the Beehive Trail. This trail is pretty similar to the Precipice Trail, but it is much shorter. This is another one that is fantastic for all the adrenaline junkies out there because you have to climb iron rungs and ladders to reach the summit. This is a 1.5 mile loop trail that is ranked as difficult due to the climbing and scrambling. If you are afraid of heights or climbing with steep drop-offs, we wouldn't suggest tackling this adventure, but we thought it was so much fun that we've done it 3 times so far. We highly recommend starting this trail early because it can get pretty crowded during the day, and you might have to wait at some of the rung and climbing sections. After reaching the summit, we followed the trail to the bowl pond on the way down, and the view of the bowl is absolutely stunning. Also, Sand Beach is right across the street from the trailhead, so you can celebrate completing the trail by jumping in the ocean and enjoying some beach time.
Number 3 on our list is the Jordan Cliff Trail. This is a trail that completely exceeded our expectations. If you hike this trail like we did, it is basically a combination of 3 trails and roughly 5 miles. We started out on the Jordan Cliff Trail, then made our way up the South Bubble, and eventually back to the Jordan Pond Loop. If you are looking for more climbing adventures up iron rungs, the Jordan Cliff Trail has you covered. The Jordan Cliff Trail isn't as intense or difficult as the Precipice Trail or the Beehive Trail, but we had a blast climbing and rock scrambling our way up. In addition, you'll get to see some of the best views in the entire park, including an aerial view of Jordan Pond, fantastic views of the bubbles, and you can even try to push Bubble Rock over the edge of the mountain. We've tried, but trust me, it doesn't even budge. Another perk of this trail is that you get to see Jordan Pond from the other side, which is much less crowded than the side of the lake right by the parking lot. After you make your way down the South Bubble and take the Jordan Pond path back, you'll wind up at the Jordan Pond House, and we highly recommend stopping here. It can get crowded and you might have to wait a while, but the lobster rolls and popovers are worth every second of the wait. Gotta love a trail that ends with amazing food!
Number 4 on our list is the Cadillac Summit Loop Trail. Although there are many ways to explore Cadillac Mountain, we suggest driving to the top and hiking a half mile around the summit. Work smarter, not harder, right? But in all seriousness, we always had such a jam-packed itinerary at Acadia, it made sense for us to save a little time so we could squeeze in more adventures. Cadillac Mountain tends to get very crowded, especially at sunrise, but you could soak up some mind-blowing views of the coast and the rest of the park. If you plan on driving up the Cadillac Summit Road between May and October, you do need a vehicle reservation in addition to a park pass. Vehicle reservations must be purchased in advance on recreation.gov, and they cost $6. Fun fact, this is the highest point in Acadia and the first place to view sunrise in the United States from October until early March.
Number 5 on our list is the Beach Cliff Trail. This is a lesser known hike in Acadia, but we think that it is highly underrated. This trail is about 1.8 miles if you take the Beach Cliff Trail loop and return using the Canada Cliffs Trail. If you're still not sick of climbing yet, this is another fun adventure with numerous iron ladders to muscle your way up. Be careful at the top of this trail because there are a few exposed cliff sections, but you can enjoy incredible aerial views of Echo Lake. This trail starts and finishes at the Echo Lake Beach parking lot, and if you need to cool down after finishing this hike, you can even take a swim in Echo Lake to celebrate completing this challenge.
Do you agree with our picks? Comment below and let us know your favorite trails in Acadia National Park.
More adventures are coming soon, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at Handstands and Handcuffs. Thanks so much!